Hey guys, today I'll be talking about the future aircrafts you'll be seeing soon, starting with Airbus. You guys must have known that the A330-800neo is already taken into skies, so you can also expect the A330-900neo to go into skies soon. Following that is the A340, which has the 300 and 600 variant. I think all Airbus aircraft will also have the new program probably. Following that is the A380, one of my favorite aircrafts. It shall have the A380-900, the A380 plus, and the A380neo. Following that is the suspended A380 freighter program. I don't know why they suspended it, but so good. Then we go to Boeing. I think Boeing shall also have some new aircrafts, and let's go on. You guys must have known that the Boeing 737 MAX program is already released. I think the Queens of the Skies will also have a MAX program. Then following that is a 777X, which is scheduled to have its first flight in the first quarter of 2019. Following that is the 787-10, which is delivered to Singapore Airlines. And also here comes the Boeing 797, or known as Boeing's new midsize aircraft, which is expected to fill up the middle of the market segment. So this is the end of part 1, and part 2 continuation of this series shall be very soon. Thank you.
All images used in this video are taken from Google Images.